بعد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين محب العلم والثقافة والاقتصاد والرياضيات والإنجليزية. مرحبا بكم في هذا الفيديو الجديد. Lovers of Science, Management, Economics, Mathematics, Statistics, and English language. I am very happy to join you in this new video about business plan and elements of business plan. And now we have to study today the fourth element of business plan, which is management plan. After marketing plan, after the first, which is this executive summary, the second, description of business, startup, product, service. The third is marketing plan, and the fourth element, which is also very important, is about management plan and staffing, also human resources management plan and overall management plan. We have management plan. We start with the definition of management plan. What is the presentation of management plan? It is here that you explain who is involved in the business now and in the future. Okay, all parts of business now, today, in the present, and also in the future. Start with a summary of your management team, staff team, or management team of your project, including their previous experience and expertise, and then explain what roles these key people play in your business now, in the present. You will also need to include a summary of who else is involved in the business and how you see this changing over the time frame of your business plan. We have also another players, another parts, another persons we involved. We can also participate in your business, in your project in the future, and this make your future change in the time, over the time, change in the future, the changing of your project or of your startup or product or service. This is also the place to identify and specific skills or qualification requirement that you have for particular roles. Okay, for particulars, for manager, for the owner, for the other partners, etc. Finally, you will need to explain any training and development or recruitment activity that you will undertake to ensure you have enough people to deliver your plan. Okay, you have enough people in your staff in human resources management. Okay, your resource management are enough for achieving this project. This is most important. The methodology of writing a management plan, you should try to provide the following points or elements in management plan. The first is summary of who the owners, like you, the owners, directors or managers are, and the degree of their control over the company, the degree of their control over the company, directors, managers, or also owners and partners. Evidence that the assembled team has the track record, experience and expertise to achieve its goals or objective. Put detailed CV for each member of your team in an appendix. Okay. In appendix, you must put the detailed CV or CVs of each member of your project team or of your management team. Confirmation that the interests and competence of the team members are complementary. Okay, the complementary of the competencies of management team and interests of management team is very important, is crucial here. Projects that stand or fall on one person or those that represent the coming together of like-minded individuals. Example, a group all sharing a common technical background, in engineering, for example, in management, in finance, etc. Ring alarm bells. If you have yet to assemble the team then describe what you are looking for and how you will achieve the right balance between team members. You must achieve the right balance, the equation between the team members, okay, the team member interests and competencies of team members. Analysis of expected future staffing needs, plus an assessment of where you will find good people, how you will organize and keep them. Also is very important point, very element. That's the team, but your investor will also want to know something about its objectives of this management plan. Think about these questions, which are the main questions in your management plan also. Plus the staff or your team management plan, you have also these questions which are very important in your management plan. The first, what do you and your colleagues want out of this business? What you want from this business? What are your objectives from or the goals from this business? The second, how ambitious are you for the business itself and what do you want it to become? Okay, if you have vision or future vision about your business and about the outputs or the destination of your business, how do these objectives compare with other businesses in the same industry? Okay, with the competitors, the projects or the businesses of competitors in the same industry. What are your investors' needs and objectives? Here, in management plan, also you must consider the needs and objectives of your investors, which are which play the role, the role the most important in financing your project or your industry or your startup or your service or your product. Okay, you must consider their needs and objectives. Formulating precise answers may be difficult. It's very difficult. But where you can be specific is in spelling out of the milestones you have set and why which you will judge progress. Example, the timetable for reaching a certain level, okay, of sales. For reaching a certain level, you can also use Gantt chart, Gantt charts, okay, which are very important, or Gantt maps. Launching, you have reaching a certain level of sales, launching a new product, recruiting the management team, recruiting the management team. Good jockeys know where they want to be at each stage in the race. Okay, is this project or the level or the time frame of this project is like a race, and the good jockeys now or the good athletes know where they want to be at each stage in the race. Okay, to win the race in the last in the end line to win the race. This is their objectives. Our project is also like a race, and we must planify each step or each stage to win and to success our race. Rarely do races or businesses go exactly to plan, but at least you should set out with a clear idea of where you are going, of where you are going, how quickly and which what anticipated reward at the finish or the line of finish. The third pillar or the third element, K management controls. What are K management controls? The first K is internal controls. This is your system of verify checks, and balances to ensure that all actions in your business are in accordance with your business objectives. Example, ensuring production line efficiency by monitoring quality and consistency. Monitoring quality and consistency. A typical control would be to monitor the number of defective products produced. It is the first K. The second K, Administrative and accounting controls. Administrative and accounting controls. What methods and procedures are in place to facilitate management, planning, and the control of your operations and ensure the accuracy, which is very important. It is an objective of your. It's the most important objective of our project of our business plan. Accuracy of financial records. Okay, this is about your management plan, which includes staffing, also human resources management plan, and also management control case. This is the fourth element, which is very important and also one of pillars of business plan. I explained today the fourth element of business plan, which is management plan. See you next time to explain the next next element of business plan. I was very happy to join you and in this video and explain you the elements and the presentation elements and illustration of this element, which is a management plan. See you in the next video. Thanks for your attention.